Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking for the best Rearview 4K dashcam in this video? I will show you the top 5 best Rearview 4K dashcam to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 in our list is 4K Wi-Fi Dual Dashcam. Specifications: brand name, GMA Pop. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Video format, MP4. Number Lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3-5. Interface, AV-in, Wi-Fi, micro SD/TF. Number 4 is Axio 4K Card DVR Mirror. Specifications: brand name, Axio. Maximum video frame rate, 30. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Video format, MP4. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 9.88 inches. As the item number 3 we've selected, iNavi Card DVR. Specifications: brand name, iNavi. Weight, 1.2 kg. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Video code, MJPG. Number of lenses, 1. Pixels, 1800 mega. Display size, 9.88. Chipset manufacturer, Allwinner. Number 2 is CarPlay and AndroidAuto Car DVR. Specifications: brand name, GMA Pop. Weight, 1.1 kilograms. Maximum video frame rate, 30. Display, IPS. View angle, 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX307. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 10.26 inch. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Parking Monitor Dashcam. Specifications: brand name, Carbu. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 2.45 inches. Interface, AV-in, USB 2.0, Wi-Fi, micro SD, TF. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech.